Hi everyone, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have the second Spellbinders Advent Calendar to show you. So as you know, Spellbinders has not one, but two amazing Advent calendars this year. I have already shared a video with the 12 days of Stitchmas Advent. It's their stitching Advent calendar. It only has 12 surprises. The other Advent calendar that Spellbinders has this year is the same one that they did last year, which is the Crafty Advent Calendar. So here's a look at this Advent. I've not opened mine. I'm not going to spoil anything, so you will not see any spoilers in this video. I'm actually saving this Advent calendar for December because I love Advents, and to me, this is going to be my crafty treat, something that I will be opening throughout December and enjoying. So if you are like me, if you love Advent calendars, I encourage you to grab this one. It also makes for a great gift, it makes for a great gift for a crafty friend, especially someone who is kind of new to crafting. If you do decide to gift this to a friend, make sure that that friend has a die cutting machine. So let's remove the plastic and take a closer look at the box. Okay, so the front of the box says dies, embossing folders, stamps, embellishments, stencils, especially for card makers, 24 different surprises, create dozens of projects. I also want to point out that this Advent calendar does not include any Glimmer hot foil plates. It does not include any Better Press plates or any wax seal products from Spellbinders. So you won't need any additional equipment aside from a die cutting machine. If we look on the back, we can see the box the way it looks on the inside, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But we can also catch a glimpse at the different products that are included. So I've zoomed in so you can see this a little bit better. So we have an adorable layering ice cream die. Next, there are some sequins in red. I think these would be really awesome for Christmas, but also for Valentine's Day. Next is a sneak peek of the embossing folder, and just so you know, you're not going to get regular size embossing folders or regular size stamps or regular size stencils. No, you will have a mini version of that product. So this is a mini embossing folder that's going to be good for embossing borders. Next is another sneak peek of another die, and this is a turtle holding a balloon. And then we have a sneak peek of a stamp set, and this is a floral set, and the sentiment here says, sending good thoughts. Okay, let's open this. And this is what it looks like on the inside of the box. Like I said, I'm not going to look at any of the surprises. I am saving this. I do want to point out that this Advent calendar, even though this is a Christmas product, it does not include any Christmas theme items. All of the products in here are everyday. They are evergreen, so you can use them year round. They're not designed for Christmas cards. And I think this is very clever because if we're opening the Advent calendar in December, it's kind of already a little bit late to create Christmas cards. So the products that Spellbinders has included in this Advent are evergreen. If you want the Christmas themed products, grab the Stitching Advent Calendar because that one includes 12 Christmas stitching dies for you to stitch. Well, that's it for me for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the Spellbinders Advent Calendar. I am very excited to save this one and start opening it on December 1st. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time.